Before you spend your money on trendy outfits from Alice London Clothing, you might want to watch this first. In this video, I took a closer look at the website, londonalice.com, to figure out whether it's actually a trustworthy online store or just another internet shopping risk. At first glance, the site looks pretty modern and appealing, with stylish clothing photos, big discounts, and a layout that feels similar to many popular fashion stores. But as I started digging deeper, a few interesting details began to appear. I checked customer feedback across different platforms and noticed that opinions about Alice London Clothing seemed to be mixed. Some shoppers claimed they received items that looked similar to what was advertised, while others mentioned issues like longer shipping times, differences in fabric quality, or customer service that was a bit difficult to reach. I also looked into the website itself, including how long the domain has been around and the overall structure of the store. While the site doesn't immediately scream scam, there are a few signs that suggest buyers should probably be cautious and manage their expectations before ordering. The pricing is very competitive, sometimes even surprisingly low compared to similar fashion retailers, which can be attractive but also raises a few questions about product sourcing and consistency. Overall, Alice London Clothing sits somewhere in the gray area that many online fashion stores fall into. It doesn't clearly prove to be a scam, but it also doesn't show enough strong signals to guarantee a perfect shopping experience either. So if you're thinking about ordering from londonalice.com, it might be a good idea to do a little research first and be aware of both the potential upsides and the possible risks before clicking that checkout button.